So hey guys, so today I wanted to share some info with you guys if you don't already know. There's a method that you can do, and it's free, that can make your transmission in your car shift smoother, take away some of those nasty vibrations that you might be having, just overall make it a little bit smoother. Now this works on, I believe, all the Honda and Acura products. Quote me if I'm wrong if it works for other manufacturers as well, but I think all the Honda and Acuras will use the same process. It's really easy, and what it does, it will help the computer relearn like your driving habits. So it's always good to do. They recommend doing it at least once a year because your transmission could start shifting rough and has maybe nothing to do with changing the fluid or anything like that. It could simply be just having to do a reset on it. So here's how you do the reset on a transmission. That'll help it relearn how you drive, can smooth your transmission out. Very easy. Okay, so you put it in accessory mode. So you push it twice. Okay, there's the first push. And then you want to push it again. Just keep your foot off the brake so it doesn't start. Okay, now you're in accessory mode. Okay. All you have to do is hold down the gas pedal all the way down. And you see that little engine icon? Keep holding it down. When that pops off, the engine icon will go away. Then the transmission, see right there? That means the transmission has just been reset. Because the engine light will never go off if you have it in this mode normally until you start the car. And then when you reset it like that, you can hear things as well when you do it. You can hear the transmission making a few noises, and that's just the computer that you're going to hear, making the adjustments to the parameters. It does help a lot, guys. If you haven't tried this and you're having issues with your transmission, or you think it should be a little smoother, try that first before you go to the dealer. Like I said, makes a nice improvement. You'll notice a difference more than likely. If you're having any kind of vibration or say it's shifting a little rough, try that and you'll probably notice it smooth out. Like I said, it's really easy to do. And that's all there is to it. It's very basic. And this, when you turn it back on again, the check-in, the little engine light is still on. And like I said, it'll always stay on like this in normal mode. But when you do the reset, it'll click off and then you can hear things working underneath the car and the transmission. So if you didn't know that, I would definitely give it a shot. I did this and I can tell you it did smooth out my transmission. When it shifts, it's a little smoother. It wasn't bad to begin with anyway because the 10 speeds are really well. I like them a lot. They shift smooth, but it's just that little refinement. And you should do it. They say at least once a year, depending on how you drive. A couple times a year. If you drive really hard, what it'll do, like I said, it'll kind of reset it back to factory. If you think of it that way, so it can smooth all that out. Because if you accelerate really fast, and the transmission starts learning that it's got to shift really quick, it can get a little abrupt just around town. And when you're going slow speeds, it can kind of be a little jerky. So it's good to do. It takes all of 10 seconds to do, because you have to hold it down for 10 seconds. So that's all there is to it, guys. So again, let me know if you've heard of this, if you did it, if you guys notice any help. I can tell you on my end, it definitely smoothed my transmission out a little bit. And you can do it anytime you want. So just wanted to share that information with you guys. Hope everyone's having a good day out there, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody.